how to go live on Zepeto. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can go live on Zepeto. So in order to go live on Zepeto, you need to fulfill certain requirement. So let's see what all are the requirements that you need to fulfill. If you fit the following criteria, you can apply to become a live creator on Zepeto. So you must be registered to Zepeto's studio. And you also must have received a penalty from Zepeto in the last 3 months, and you must be able to do live broadcast consistently at least 2 times or 2 hours a week. And you also must have prior experiences in being consistently active as a live creator or another platform, as a link to show your activity must be included as a verifying tool. So once you fulfill all the criteria, you just have to apply to be a live creator. And after submitting your application via the link above, if you're selected as a live creator, you will be notified by Zepeto with a message within a 2-3 week. If you don't receive a message from within 2-3 weeks, please note that you are not selected. So this is how you can go live on Zepeto. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.